in an array, right? That was the first part of the homework. Doesn't sound too hard. We just need to put push in here after we make the flick. But push into what? So who made it? Yeah, into an array. We're not going to make a global variable for that. And we want this variable to stick around from one flick to the next. So who made it actually a property of the object? I know somebody did because I saw it in the console. You did?
Like where you make it in the class?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you do? How'd you do it? Doesn't have to be that hard. We can just use push. But how did you initialize the array? How'd you make the empty array to begin with? You're gesturing. Are you gesturing too? Do you have an answer, or are you just doing something? Yeah, totally. So we can just do that up in the constructor. Like this dot flicks equals empty array. Right off the bat, sure, why not? Yeah. Okay, well, inside the constructor, this should work. Let's make this dot flicks equals empty array. And then down in handle submit, after we make the flick, let's just do this dot flicks dot push flick. See what we get. Refresh. Ragnarok 2017. Oops, that's not the question. Hemsworth. App.flicks. There you go. Did you put it inside the constructor?
Yeah, I think I didn't put like this dot.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. So that'll save it as this dot flicks. So we don't exactly have instance variables. You remember, these aren't real classes. What we do have is properties of the instance, properties of the object. So just get to those with this dot the same way you would to a method with this dot. So that totally does it. We're storing them in an array now. Store flicks in an array. Why bother? Well, this is our actual data, right? And we're just keeping our UI in sync with our data, and we're doing it all manually right now. But someday down the road, we'd like to sync this data with a database or something. And so we need to maintain our data in order to do that. Preparing us for the future. Let's add a second one just to make sure that that does work. Yep, there they are. We got both of them. Cool.